Well, here's our first snowstorm. It's rather early, too. I don't know that we got much more than 3 inches. It's like about 3 inches right there on top of that. It drifted so much. In some spots, it's really hard to tell, but I'd say about 3 inches or so. Gorgeous, beautiful. It's cold. So, yeah, I'm gonna get the shovel out. Dig out. Yeah, here's a drift for you. Step into that thing. I don't know if you could hear the wind blowing or see but it's coming right down through the middle of the lake here. And it is cold. Ain't my lips. Nothing to stop this wind right here. Absolutely nothing. It'll take just a few seconds. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that well on this camera or not, but man, it's just gorgeous bitterness. You can see that drift there. Oh, it drifted up along the fence line. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm out of here. My hand's freezing. So we'll download this, what it looks like, and upload it to the